Something, man. We just left this ride out. My bike, man, is done. Man, I gotta get a whole new, what do I get? New rebuild, bottom, top end, man. Blew my bike up. Where my bitch? Oh, my bitch on the other side, but you can't even see her. My bike blown up, bro. It's a done. It's over. I gotta get a whole new rebuild. Couple days, feel me? Gonna take like a week. I should be back on commission. Big bikes. Bikes. I should be back. We'll be back. Couple days. We got commission, but we'll be back. He don't got no compression, bro. That shit done. Go ahead, bro. He said 2-stroke D. Yo, are we pushing? Huh? Come on, bro. I got your kicker out. Get on your bike. Get on. Yo, come on, bro. Hell, yo. Hell, want my shit to turn on. Yo, I'm gonna join the fuck up.
That shit done. Everything's done. Let's go. That ring is.
What's up, y'all, man? We back. I'm about to go pick up these parts from my bike. I said my bike was only gonna be out of commission for like 2 weeks, but it only been 1 day, and I'm about to go pick up these parts. Well, I'm about to go buy these parts. My parts come in tomorrow. I found somebody who got them on hand, so my parts will be here tomorrow. So my bike will be done tomorrow. 3 days. What is this called? My bike will be done in 3 days. Y'all ain't never, you don't find stuff like that. But yeah, look, my bike don't got no compression. See, I can push it down like that with my hands. That means something wrong. The one left still here though. I'm just out of commission right now. So I'm gonna go buy these parts, pick up these parts again tomorrow, and my bike will be back. Couple days. That's simple. You feel me? Sunday, ride out. I will be there. So don't count me out. I will for sure be there Sunday. Who ain't being there? You tripping. Sunday. I don't know if I'm going to Rail Day or I'm going to Jersey, but I might look forward to going to Rail Day because, you feel me? I want to be in the mix. But yeah, so we'll be back. Catch y'all when I catch y'all. Yeah, we back again, man. I got my part. It's been a stressful day, y'all. I just had to cuss the ball out at the John. Yesterday he told me don't record. Yesterday he told me don't record there, you feel me? So I come down today, pick up my part, have my camera out. The dude come out, start drilling on me. I'm like, yo, who you talking to? Like, I'm like, man, so I had to stop recording so I couldn't get the footage of me picking up the part, but I got it. It's here. You feel me? The part here. I mean, we live. My girl here, it's supposed to be getting picked up in the eye, so but my mechanic, man, I don't know what's up with him. He's supposed to hit me back. I ain't talked to him. Well, I called him. He said he's gonna come out in the eye. If he BS me, then I gotta go somewhere else. But yeah, my part right here. If I see this job. Top end kit. You know what I mean?
Yes, I can keep you from the back.
A couple days too. It's right there. But yeah, we back. Yeah.
Yeah, that shit brand new.
Yeah, 2019.
Yeah, you ain't say that.
Yeah, I blew it up. I mixed the wrong stroke.
What? It's not locked up or nothing, right?
Nah, it's not locked up.
Oh, okay.
I just mixed the wrong stroke.
Yeah.
I don't want to step up there.
Blew the piston, you're good.
Damn, these shits
Fuck the piston off.
fuck my shoes up, man. These joints.
I know, that's the only thing about coming
And they
down
white.
here, bro. Anytime you go down here,
Wear some throwaways.
Wear some bullshit, cause shit's getting fucked up for sure.
pull this bitch out.
Everybody only race 450s?
Nah, there's all kinds of bikes. 125, 250, 85, 65, you name it. They all out here.
This joint lit. It's a little spot.
Thanks, man.
Ah, look at this shit, man. This mud. I came down here to drop my bike off, about to get my bike fixed. It's nighttime. You know, it's getting real. The bike about to be back tomorrow. Come pick it up tomorrow. Get my top end rebuilt. Yeah, I'm vlogging, my fault. About to get my top end rebuilt. It's nighttime. Yeah, look. Y'all probably can't see. It's dark out here, but I'm coming back out here tomorrow. Y'all gonna see it's race. It's a track. Look, another bike. I don't know if y'all can see it. Another. Alright, it's dark. But yeah, another bike. It's a track over there on that side, but it's dark. Y'all can't see. I'm gonna bring y'all back here tomorrow. But yeah, I'm dropping my bike off. Get my top end done, and we'll be back. See y'all tomorrow. What's up, man? We back. I'm here back to pick this bike up. It's hella bikes out this joint. This joint lit. Look. Big bike. Bike. There's hella bikes out this joint. Bike. Look, this joint lit. I'm gonna show y'all the track. I'm gonna show y'all the track in a little bit. In a couple of minutes. This joint is lit. Like, look. Big bikes, taking apart a bike over there. Bikes. Look, y'all, I don't know, y'all see all the way down there. I'm gonna take y'all down there though. Before I leave. Oh, here go my girl. Look at it. Runs good. Okay. Look at it. And we're about to keep it straight on. She's back. I told y'all a couple days. One kick. Let me show y'all where the track at, but look, big bikes, four-wheelers. How y'all doing? Big bikes out there, Joe. Look. Little bike. This joint crazy out here. I found a new mechanic in racing. So I'm about to show y'all, this track. This joint lit. Little 50. There's big bikes out there, this joint crazy. I'm about to show y'all this track. Watch. I don't even see no bikes yet. They are here practicing for tomorrow. Racing. Oh, look, whole crew right here. I've never seen nothing like this in my life. Bike city. There's nothing but bikes out here. It's so crazy. I never even seen that like this. It's just dumb muddy. How you doing, man? Listen. big bikes, trailers. They stay the night out here. My girl back. Yeah, this joint lit, man. I never seen nothing like this. I'm gonna keep saying it because this joint lit. Oh, big bikes. Baby filling up. I'm about to get up out here though. I think we gotta go to a track. This joint nice, man. That's a 450, 4 nibs. That's going tough. Look at that.